On this day, May 28, 2023, the track world watched in awe. Shericka Jackson, our very own sprint queen, absolutely lit up the Rabat Diamond League in Morocco. What a performance! She didn't just run the women's 200 meters, she flew, clocking a phenomenal 21.98 seconds. Jackson secured a dominant victory. This wasn't just a win, it was a statement. That incredible time wasn't just fast, it was record-breaking. Shericka set a brand new meet record for Rabat. It was also her season's best performance up to that point. Simply spectacular. Shericka left no doubt about her supremacy on the day. She powered away from a strong field, leaving Anthonique Strachan of the Bahamas and Tamari Davis of the USA trailing behind. Pure speed and power. With the World Championships just months away, this race sent a clear message to the globe. Shericka Jackson was not just ready, she was poised to dominate the competition on the biggest stage. From St. Anne to the international spotlight, Shericka's performance is another shining example. It's a powerful reminder of Jamaica's incredible, enduring legacy in sprinting excellence. We are so proud. This has been This Day in Jamaican Sports History, powered by All Sports Jamaica. Don't forget to like, share, and follow us for more real Jamaican sports content. Big up D Massive Dem.